move, basically. 21 points on the Nifty. So as we've been saying, the markets pulled back. By the way, the pullback on the reversal rather on the banks is even sharper. The high on the bank Nifty is 42,865, and we'll end at about actually far off that level. The mid cap index is flat. The small cap index did a little better though. I think the 15 minutes back you had a 0.5% gain. I think it's still there, the 0.5% gain on the small cap index. Market breadth also almost converged. 1,200 stocks higher and 1,000 plus stocks lower. So just a difference of 200 stocks. It was comfortably 2:1 till about mid-afternoon or so. So across the board, a little bit of deterioration is what we have seen. Large caps, Bajaj Twins did well. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv. The Adani Group stocks, Adani Enterprises in the Nifty, and Britannia IndusInd were the other large cap Nifty names which did quite well. Prima.
Well, on the losing side, HDFC Group stocks. So HDFC Life, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited. All three of them were down in trade. And this is after yesterday's outperformance. Profits were being taken off. UPL was another drag in trade. UPL ending lower with a cut of 2% after its global competitor Adamo reported a weak set of numbers. Revenues down 11%, EBITDA was down 18%, and it had a rub-off impact on UPL. IT names Tech Mahindra and Wipro in the large cap space ended with cuts of a little less than 1%. But ITC and Bajaj Auto deserve mention because Bajaj Auto, of course, we're awaiting the numbers, should come out by 4:35. But both ITC and Bajaj Auto ended at 52-week highs, or at least hit them early in trade.
Well, folks, the one good aspect of trade today has been the fact that the advance decline ratio has been positive throughout. Even with the Nifty finally cooling off to end the session, you still have over 1,500 stocks advancing, just about 1,300 on the declining side, and some massive movers. Look at RVNL, 20% circuit, that's how it's going home. Tex Rail can be added to the railways list, up about 7% as well. You have stocks like HOEC up 5%. I didn't mention, by the way, IRFC on the railways pack, 5% on that stock as well. Some of the other PSUs like SJVN, small stock, 34 rupees stock, but up about 5%. Zomato was the other one, 3.5% on the upside. PNB Housing, Marico, 3 to 4% on these stocks. So all was not lost, and you had some pretty smart movers and shakers. But yes, on the flip side, Mastech cooled off after its mega run post the earnings. Paytm was down about 2.5%. Some profit taking on a Nykaa, on a Lemon Tree. And of course, IPCA kind of takes the cake in terms of the major newsmaker. Crompton and IPCA, the big headline grabbers from the mid-cap arena for the obvious reasons. So that's the market. Very flat close, 17,763. So the bulls not quite able to make the headway towards the 17,800 level.
Well, with that.